This outer layer is made from luxurious bird's eye maple. Rollers press all the layers together to ensure they stick without any gaps. A cut is made through the overlap to create a perfect seam.
So, it was a bit harsh.
A robotic drill takes over. It drills holes of various diameters. The small ones will hold hardware. This larger one is an air vent. A computerized router then cuts the bearing edges to a 45-degree angle. And it's sanded smooth. All the edges are checked to see that they're level. If they're not, the drum heads won't fit properly. An adhesive is applied to the air hole and a plastic vent is inserted. Next, brackets called lugs are inserted into the other holes and screwed in. There are 10 lugs spaced 36 degrees apart. They hold the rods that will attach the heads to the drum shell and also enable the drummer to adjust the tension on the head.